Welcome to Morning Announcements, USD 383 Remote Learning Team. We are delighted to have you join us for day one on August the 26th, 2020. My name is Dr. Shivers. I am so excited to serve as your administrator and principal this year. This is my contact information if you ever need me. 5 things I want you to know. I have belief in you. I love to communicate and stay focused to get everyone on the same page. I will always be a learner, and we want to stay super positive this year. Those are my strengths that I wanted to share. This is a picture of me when I had my first day of school years and years ago. It was a very special time, and I hope today will be a really great day for you that you'll always remember because you are making history in this time. My teachers played a huge influence on my life, so I just want to say that from my preschool teacher, Mrs. Catlin, to my kindergarten teacher, Mrs. Lang, to my first grade teacher, Mrs. Bryant, and her intern, Miss Letourneau, my second grade teacher, Mrs. Sherbert, my third grade teacher, Mrs. Ferguson, my fourth grade teacher, Mrs. Reed, my fifth grade, Mr. McClure, and my sixth grade team of Mrs. Mall, Miss Frazier, Mrs. Minnick, and Mr. Ewing. They've set me up well, and I know that your teachers this year will do the same. Your teachers this year might include your family members and other people around you, so that team is going to take you really far this year. I want to share my family with you. I have an older son named Kobe who lives in Kansas City. I have Malik, who just graduated from high school and is going to college at MATC. And I have James, who is a third grader this year. We are delighted to share a thought of the day with you. Your families might have watched a documentary called The Last Dance. It's about a team that Michael Jordan led. When I was your age, this was my team. There's 2 lessons I want to share with you. Exceptional teams are made when we can motivate people to win a lot of championships. There's going to be times we're going to have easy wins and we're going to be able to move forward. And then there's going to be days where we have to fight for it. So I hope that you're building an exceptional team with your classmates, your teachers, your family to make this year one of the best ever. And then the second one is presence. We want everyone to really be here with us, to have the skill, experience, and ability that can make us not only good, but take us into greatness. So there's one quote I want to read. Most people struggle to be present, and Michael Jordan was a mystic. He's never anywhere else. His gift was not that he could jump high, run fast, or shoot a basketball. His gift was that he was completely present. That was the separator that made him one of the greatest basketball players ever. So I just wanted to share that quick thought of the day with you as you prepare to build an exceptional team this year and to be super present in the Zoom sessions and through your work on Canvas, both online and offline. We hope that you're ready to be present to show what you can know this year. So this is our hashtag. We can't wait to see what you share. Have a wonderful day of learning, my friends. Thank you for being with us today.